YouTube, welcome to yet another video on the channel. Today we're taking a look at the Tormentor's biggest fan from Mater the Greater. So let's get right into it, shall we? So here's like a really light blue coloured SUV, same model as Charlie Cargo and the Octane Gang crew chief. We'll take a bit of a closer look at that later. Got a cap on the front here, it says Tormentor, a blue flag with red flames. It also says Tormentor. 3 of those flags on the back up here. A white suction cup with a red tow hook, a red bit even in yellow here. I was worried for a minute that this yellow thing here was a chip, but no, it looks to be real, luckily. I'm trying to look what the license plate is. Surely that's not Fred. The light, it's really hard to see, but it actually looks like it might be Fred, I cannot tell. Tormentor logo on the side, on both sides. Silver tires with black rims. Blue eyes looking to the left, to his left, our right. There's quite a nervous yet happy expression. There's the base. Compare to the 2 other cars that are the same model, which are Charlie Cargo, first off. I haven't actually reviewed Charlie Cargo a few months ago. I would have compared the 2 if I knew that they were the same model, but I didn't even realise that I've been Tormentor's biggest fan since April this year, but I just did not realise. Anyways, and here's Octane Gang with Billy Oil Changes crew chief. So I think Tormentor's biggest fan is quite cool. I definitely think he's unique, being the only. Sorry, I'm messing up my words. I definitely think he's unique, being one of the only, maybe even the only, I can't remember for sure, deluxe monster truck Mater that is not a monster truck. But that is it for another video. So please remember to like, subscribe, comment, favourite, share, suggest more cars you want to see me review in the future. And as always, I'll see you all in the very next video.